Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, April 27th. I just took Lainey to, Lainey and I went to the DMV to go get our plates renewed. I did not clean the house before I left. The house is totally trashed, which I cleaned it yesterday. Isn't that funny how it only takes a day? So before I clean all of this, we stopped and got lunch at Chick-fil-A. Before I clean all of this mess up, I need to go out and plant some, I have some flags that I need to get in the ground. Okay, sorry, anyways, today's bulk pickup, and I think the trash is coming. I already set out like our old couch cushions, but I have something else. Uh-oh. Let me get this stuff out. It's not a wasp, it's just an ant. Okay, so I got all of these cushions out. They're all down by the front. I got a big giant. I need to close my garage so they can't tell me no. But I have all this. They were laid up nice, but the wind just keeps blowing. So these, however, I need to get these planted because they're all starting to die. But I hear the trash truck. I kind of want to wait until the trash is gone.
Every change has a reason, baby.
I'm having a hard time deciding where I want to put more flags because I have just a few left. Around that tree is kind of full now, and the tree that's right behind me, around it is just too small. Let me show you. So like around this one, there's just not enough room. That's what I just did over there. And they're gonna look funny for a while until they take root. And then I did this like last year, the year before, and they look beautiful. I can't believe how well they came back. I think I'm gonna do it around the mailbox. I don't know, let me show you what I have left. Okay, here's what I have left, which is really not very much. So I don't know, I think I'll just go try to put them around the mailbox and let that be that. What do you think?
Look at her, she just pooped.
Oh my.
Come to you, every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I, baby, you.
Well, you guys want to tell you, May 15th.
May 15th?
See if you can make it. Hey, are you friends with that lady there? She yelled at me the other day because I told her about the party. They started freaking out. Freaking out. I said, I'll get you a hotel. Everybody loves it when you do. And I see what they're doing in their yard. I'm like, what a man.
Yeah.
I saw her dog the other day.
Yeah, so her kids want to play high kicks and she never lets them. So I'm like, hey, come on. She's like, okay. And she walked over with them. I'm like, no, how long have you been here? 11 years before everybody else showed up and they did parties. They were going off and I'm like, I can't really talk to you anymore because we're not the same.
Have fun.
You too.
I just splashed all the mud from that container all over myself. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, but we'll see. I close this garage. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, hold on. Okay, now I'm a complete disgusting mess. But my brother's wedding is this weekend. Super excited about it. So I'm a disgusting mess. Lainey's mad at me. Is there mud on my face? Anyways, Lainey's mad at me. She was in and out, in and out, in and out, and the dogs were in here and I didn't want them getting let out. So I said the last time, when you're done inside, let me know when you're coming out and I'll let you out. And by the time she did that, I was already wrapping up and coming inside. And so I opened the door and she has her hands full of toys. I'm like, we can't go out because I have to clean the house. We have to run all the way out to Chesterfield. We have to run all the way out. That's what I was gonna tell you next. I have to hurry up. I'm gonna spend like 25 minutes cleaning. I think that should be enough. 25 minutes cleaning, and I have to run all the way out of town. Not out of town, but you know, all the way across town to go get some outfits for my boys for my brother's wedding. You should see, they are not wearing typical wedding attire. Like, it's impossible to get my kids dressed. It's not typical, but I think my brothers will be okay and appreciate it. I hope my new sister-in-law will be okay with it. It is what it is. My daughter, or Lainey's the flower girl, so she's gonna be dressed to the nines. Her dress is like absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited about it. My boys look like Boogaloo boys. That's okay, we're just gonna roll with it. So I have to go pick those up from Children's Place. They're like 25 minutes away, so it's 25 minutes out there, 25 minutes back, and by that time I'll be getting the boys. We have practice tonight. Glace and us practice at 5:30 until 7, and then the little boys, the younger boys, have a game at 7:45, which is crazy, I know. But so that means I have to leave Glacen's practice, run across town, well, stop, pick up Tony because he'll be missing the practice because of work. So I'm gonna pick him up so he can go to the game, and then, yeah, so I'm gonna do my best to hurry up and do 25-minute cleaning in this kitchen, in the living room, and maybe a really, really quick vacuum. Get the boys' outfits together for practice and for game, and then we're out of here down to go pick up their wedding clothes.
Ones who can decide, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
I just pulled up at school. We went to Children's Place and I got the boys shirts and stuff, and I thought that they did curbside. Like, I thought that's the whole point of doing store pickup, because like if I was gonna shop, like if I was gonna go in there, then I should have just went in there to begin with instead of waiting all day. But they didn't, which is so dumb. I don't understand the point of in-store pickup if it's not like going to be, whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, so we had to go in, so then that means Lainey was finding things that she wanted while we were in there. We were in such a big rush because we had to get all the way back into town in time to get the kids from school. So I'm here picking them up right now. I'm gonna go home, check over their clothes really fast. What did you get, Lainey? All your stuff's on the ground, isn't it? Let me see your headband. Put it on, let me see it. Lainey had to have it. That's so cute. You look so cute. So, yeah. And on the way back, I just placed a curbside order for Smoothie King, and I'm gonna have to try to figure out what I'm gonna feed the kids before we go and are gone all night. So I didn't get to film anymore yesterday because by the time we got done with Glayson's practice, I left my phone at home for the baseball game, and we got the fields, well, I got the fields mixed up because where it shows like if it's a home game or not, you have to actually click on the game and then go in and look to see, and so I just assumed it was at our normal field. My bad. So I got in trouble, so I wasn't really in the vlogging mood. Either way, we slept in a little bit today, and I let them get another probably 15-20 minutes of sleep before I had them start getting ready for school. We just pulled up. Glayson's in a really bad mood because he was supposed to have 5th grade camp today, but it's raining.
Yeah, they shouldn't cancel it though.
Well, you guys, they can't have you out there in the rain.
Yeah, they can.
It's
wilderness. Every time in the wilderness, it rains.
it's focusing on my face.
Yeah, it is focusing on your face. What'd you say, Cruz?
If it's raining, isn't that more of a good chance to go on?
Yeah!
Because you can learn how to like build shelter.
Is that more of a good chance?
Yeah, we were supposed to. When you're gonna build shelter in the middle of the sun, you're already fine.
A future but for summer.
It is what it is. I think it's supposed to, supposed to turn into like heavy storms. So you guys can't be out there if there's like tornado sirens sounding. You know, I don't think your shelters will be that strong.
Shelters.
So, yeah.
What if it would be raining on sirens? Can you see me?
Yeah.
No, you can't. You can't see me.
Yeah, I can see that little girl. Look at her. You look so cool.
No, I don't.
You look at that little girl.
Her hair is like kind of curling straight at the same time, and those little like trophy balls on her head.
You
and,
look
like,
so
sunglasses.
cute, Lainey. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.